This is Dr. V.S. Nishok from EZ Department, SNS College of Technology. Here we are going to discuss the topic LED and photodiode from the subject Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So this is the outline of this video. It starts with role of light electricity conversion and it continues with behavior of LED and photodiode and PN junction functions and LED and photodiode characteristics, and finally it ends with the practical applications. So coming to the light electricity conversion. So whatever images we are seeing here, like street light, TV remote beam and pulse oximeter and optical fiber communication and barcode scanner, proximity scanner, everything works only with the two devices called light and electricity. So everyone can say the LED emits the light energy and photodiode detects the light energy, but no one knows the energy level behind it and how the photodiode works in the reverse bias condition and how the PN junction does both the function. So here we are going to see about the PN junction functions. So in the forward bias condition, that is when external input is given, that is positive terminal is connected to the p-type material and negative terminal of the external supply is connected to the n-type material, so it is called as a forward bias. So in that mode, when the energy transmits from one band to another band through the PN junction, then the energy transmission will emits the light, so that is called as the light energy. So this is happens with different wavelengths. Likely if the energy level is 1.8 volts, then it is red in color. So then it is if it is 3.3 volts, then it is blue in color. Similarly, several colors are available. And coming to the reverse bias condition, so that is photodiode condition. So here when photodiode comes across any light energy, it triggers the electricity to conduct to make the electron hole pair. So that is possible using this photodiode. So this shows the photocurrent is proportional to the light intensity. So based on the brightness of the light, the current will occur with the help of the photodiode. So coming to the LED characteristics. So initially, as we told, it is works on the forward bias condition. So when the external supply voltage is above 0.7 volts, then this LED starts to conduct. So the current will increase linearly with the increase in the external bias voltage. So the materials along with silicon like gallium arsenide, gallium nitride and etc. So these are the materials mainly used for this LED fabrication. And coming to the VI characteristics, so after the knee voltage, the current will linearly increase along with the external voltage. So coming to the photodiode. So here the photodiode will works mainly in the reverse bias condition. So when the current, so that is when the light intensity is increasing, the current flow will starts to increase. So if the light intensity is very less, then if the current is less than 10 nano amps, so it is called as a dark current, so which is not possible, so which may not provide much electricity. So if it crosses the dark current, it will provides the much good electricity as expected. So it is very fast, it has very fast response and high sensitivity. The VI characteristics shown here shows the curve when light not incident and curve when light incident, which is increasing rapidly. So this is the time for activity. So I'm coming to the practical applications. So the LED with the forward bias condition of PN junction will be utilized in TV remote and will be used in street lights and indicators, optical communication purposes, etc. So coming to the photodiode, so the receiver end, photodiode will be at the receiver end to receive the light energy and convert it to the electrical input signal. So that is available in the TV remote receiver and optical fiber receiver and proximity sensors and smoke alarms, etc. So coming to the summary part of this video, so we have started seeing the light energy conversion in the beginning, and we have started seeing about the LED and photodiode characteristics and its practical applications. So this is the time for assessment quiz. So an LED emits light when it is forward biased condition. So photodiode is normally operated in reverse bias condition. This is the right answer. So this is the references where we got a lot of information regarding the topic. Thank you all. Thank you for joining this video.